Hi friends, if you want to make a website for cleaning and repair services, this video is going to be very helpful for you. In this video, we have Clinixer WordPress theme, and Clinixer WordPress theme comes with 3 pre-made websites. I'll show you all 3 demo websites. And Clinixer is a dedicated WordPress theme for cleaning services and repair services. So let us first preview the demo website. This is being the first demo using the Clinixer WordPress theme, and it has got all the features which you need for a cleaning or repair services website. And you can see the stunning look of pre-made website, and it has very clear and to the point look, along with the make an appointment feature on the very home page, so that you may get potential lead using the website landing page itself. And if we talk about the inner page, the inner page has also been built very statistically, and it has a aesthetic look presenting all the necessary content information on the about us page. And services page also bringing very wonderful content arrangement. This is being the services page, so you can list your services page according to the requirement, and here you can also put a make an appointment option. So this is being a rare category, but it is to the point category WordPress theme, and I am happy to record this video because this is going to be the third video on this channel which is presenting the same category WordPress theme, that is for cleaning services and repair services. So you have choices on this channel itself. You can find another good theme for these services as well, and this Clinixer is also very wonderful, and the similar features are available on other pre-made websites as well, and this is being the third one. So you can choose any pre-made website for your upcoming website project for cleaning services or repair services. Now let us talk about the developers. Clinixer is cleaning services WordPress theme, and it also supports the RTL, and the theme has been originally developed by ThemePure. The theme was originally developed in 2020 only, and the last update also done in 2020 only. So we can conclude that the theme has not got very recent updates, and it may cause a bit problem even with the latest version of WordPress. But I found this theme very useful for this category. This is why it has been brought on this channel. So in this video we are going to install Clinixer WordPress theme. Along with the demo content, we will preview the theme options, customization options, and all such basic options which you need for utilizing the theme. And we will target to make website like any of these, for any of these. So this is home style 1 2 3, and it has got inner pages as well, so we will bring all in the demo content itself. Let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, and this WordPress installation is running WordPress 5.7.2 and with 2021 WordPress default theme. And as I told you, the theme has not been updated according to up to the latest version, so it supports only, it has been tested up to 5.6. however, it should work well on the 5.7x versions of WordPress as well. Let us check how it works, how it functions and how we can install and utilize this theme for our project. I got the theme pack. In the theme pack there are some bundle plugins. We can use this. Demo data has been given in XML or .json formats. Licensing is by default here. The main theme file and the child theme file is also available, so it is of course a necessary part of theme pack, and online documentation link has been given in the theme pack itself. Let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the themes section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to select clinicser.zip. Remember the file name is clinicser.zip. Don't upload the complete folder here. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file in the WP content themes folder using file manager option at your control panel, cPanel. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. In fact, and the theme file size is just 7.32 MB in size, so it is a well optimized theme, and it is indication the less size is the indication of well optimized and well managed code quality. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Clinicser folder in which we got all the theme components. So folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is not required, we have already extracted it. And both activities of uploading the theme are same. You can use either this WordPress interface for uploading the theme, or you can directly upload the theme to the WP content themes folder. Don't repeat the process, both are same, you have to choose only one. And now since we have uploaded the theme, we can go back to the themes section, and we have Clinicser as another theme options. Let us check the details. This is Clinicser version 1.0.1 by basic theme, and okay, so Clinicser cleaning services WordPress theme is here. We can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to utilize this theme in proper manner. Let us check the list of plugins. Here are the list of plugins which are required for running this theme. 5 are required and rest 4 are recommended. You opt not to install the recommended plugins. However, I advise you to install all the plugins in the first go. If you are not using any plugin in the later stage, you may deactivate and delete those plugins. And this theme uses Elementor page builder, it is a good thing, and advanced custom field photo gallery, advanced custom fields has been used in this theme. So these both are very good combination along with the Elementor. And one click demo import is definitely for one time use, and classic editor has also been given just in case. So I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go, all 9 plugins. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And now, as you seen, all the 9 plugins have been installed just in seconds. And if you are ordering the theme at WP Themes website, you shall be getting the same capacity server if you are taking a bundle package of pre-installed theme. So try to get adequate hosting first so that your website may be successful, because hosting always matters for WordPress installation and you have to take a proper hosting plan for this. This is available at WordPress WP Themes website, so choice is yours what you want to do, and only theme is also available there. So now we have already installed all the plugins, all the 9 plugins, and we need to activate all the installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. And now we have activated all the plugins. Simply click on dashboard, and now since all the plugins and the theme itself has been installed, we can take a look of our website how it looks with the Clinixer WordPress theme. Okay, so this is the basic look of Clinixer WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. And if you don't want to use any pre-made website, you can start building your website scratch from here, and you will get all the benefits of theme features and plugin features at this point. But mostly people wish to use the pre-made website to put direct content for their website and start using the website for business purposes. So we may target to create a website like this using the demo content. So let us proceed towards importing the demo content. Now I am looking for the option where the demo importer is laying. It is available under Appearance tab, named as Import Demo Data. Okay, so here we have choice to choose a pre-made website. So you can choose home 1, 2 or 3, whatever may be your requirement and as per your choice. I am choosing the first one, considering a default one, and simply clicking on Import Demo. Now it is saying that we may opt to have more plugins, but we can skip this stage because these plugins can be installed on later stage if you need to use these plugins. And simply click on Continue and Import, and now import process has begun, and this import process may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to be on this page without refreshing or leaving the page, and even don't hit the back button. However, you can use another tabs meanwhile to explore the theme quality and all the functions. So let the process of import demo content to be completed and wait with your due patience. And we reached on this screen. As this theme also supports the WooCommerce, so WooCommerce materials has not been imported as we have not installed the WooCommerce as of now, and rest of things has been imported. So we can take a look of our website again. It is loading up. Something good is coming. So first time load may take time because my internet is also working slow today. Okay, so wonderful. We got our wonderful website in just few minutes, and all the demo content has been supplied. All the images have been supplied in the demo content itself, and of course the inner pages has been given in the demo content itself. So this is being the About Us page, and let us check the services. This is being the services page. Okay, it is great, and it is exactly same as in the demo website, since we have chosen this demo website and we have got the same one. Wonderful. So appointment function let us check. And so since we have not installed the appointment feature, so definitely it will not work until we install the appointment feature. Okay, so let us go back. And rest of pages are here only, and you can use the appointment feature. I just wish to show you using the contact page. So on the contact page there is a feature to use it like an appointment feature, and the visitors may submit their request. Okay, so installation was wonderful, and we got a nice website using the Clinicser WordPress theme in just few minutes, and you can start using this website theme. After putting the original content, you can start using your website. So let us go to the dashboard again to preview the theme options. Okay, so on the dashboard there are something new, like things like services are new, portfolio are new. I will show you all the additional feature which we got in this installation, and rest I'll show you how to customize this theme. These are the services, so we can check what are the fields available in the services section. Okay, so this is basics and explanation, and the services, the video placement and expert. Okay, fine. So this is being the services page, and this is being the portfolio. Okay, portfolio is also presenting in this content in the similar manner, and it is also very good. So now we have to check the customize option. So there is no any additional control panel like tab, and we can assume that all the customization can be done through the default appearance customize options. Let us check what is here. Okay, so Clinicser customizer has been given here. So this is the basic setting. So this is the top bar setting, and again these features are available: top bar switcher, top bar search language, and info text, URLs, and the mail URL. Rest of things are here. So you can use the appointment button link here, and if you want to exactly use the appointment feature, you need to install an additional appointment plugin as well. However, it is available freely on the web, and you can get that appointment feature plugin in the add a new plugin section itself. And now it is site identity, and you can select the logo from here just in case, and you have to make logo. Definitely you are going to use your own logo, so you can upload your logo from site identity section. Colors you can manage, so header text color, header image, and so basic Clinicser customizer gives you the header social control, header settings. So okay, so header logo you can upload from here. I am sorry, so I have told you in other place. So this is the logo control. Under the Clinicser customizer option, you have to select the logo and the header logo and all fav icon and all elements. And site info settings has been given, breadcrumb setting, blog setting, footer setting. So again copyright text and footer styles are here. color settings. So it is also a very useful utility. So theme secondary color, theme hover color, and theme color you can change. Typography setting 404, RTL, and preloader setting. If you don't want to preloader, just hide the preloader from here because it was taking time. Okay, great. So we got all the controls and rest of things are here. So header image and all such things by default as comes in the WordPress customizer. So these are the great controls and these are enough as well to handling the website, and you don't need any additional control for handling your website. And now I'll show you how to edit the page contents. Let us assume we are going to edit the home page, very home page, and this theme, since this theme uses the Elementor, so editing with Elementor is always been easy. And simply open the page and click on edit with Elementor. You shall be able to edit the content. And before start editing with Elementor or using the basic editor, you should take a backup of page, because just in case you made any mistake you can restore the page backup. And editing with Elementor is always simple. Simply click on the area where you want to add or change the text, and you shall be able to change it in the left panel. And settings has been given like title, description, and all such things. So just click on the area and you shall be able to edit the content. It is very simple and it is just like Microsoft Word files and all such. So even a non-technical person can do such settings. So you have to remember, you have to use the same dimension images, and even the text should be around in the same length, so that you may maintain the integrity and layout of the theme. Don't use other size images or more or less content. So you have to manage your content in a similar manner as has been given in the demo website, and you shall be able to make a great website. And as you can see, the appointment feature is available at the home itself. So as we seen in the very beginning, if you don't want to use additional appointment plugin, this is being served through the contact 7 page. So contact 7 is also a wonderful feature for making the contact forms, and it is already available in the theme. So choice is yours. If you wish to have a control panel for appointment feature, you need to do some customization, and by default it has been supplied through the contact form 7. So appointment feature is here. And okay, so now our website is fine and you can start using the website after putting your original content. And as I said, the appointment feature is available here, and you can choose this feature, and all such settings and areas has been given, and the well behaved manner. Okay, so that is fine. So our output website is very good, and you might have certain questions regarding this theme and installation process, or you may be needing some support. So don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and I am also adding the link of my website where you can get in touch with me. You can get the theme and hosting plans and all such things are available. You have to simply click on the only one link given in the description of this video, and you shall be reaching on the complete details. As you choose, you shall be getting the same, and I believe you are going to make a wonderful website using this Clean Excel WordPress theme. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.